16-year-old Aubrey Gooden arrived at court today to face day 2 in the so-called Angel of Death murder trial. The prosecution opened with testimony from Edwin Cantaloupe, an eyewitness who testified he saw and spoke with Gooden 5 blocks from the murder scene. Under intense cross-examination from defense, he never faltered. He positively identified Gooden. But the most damaging evidence came from the hand and mouth of Gooden himself. His former assistant principal testified Gooden slipped him a note at school on which he admitted to the cab driver murder while also implicating himself in 3 other unsolved murders. Next, Earl Bryant, the school's security guard, would testify Gooden told him he killed the cab driver. The Daily News has exclusively obtained copies of the letters entered into evidence today. The excerpts read, "I'm ready to kill again. I only kill to do away with hypocrites, criminals, and problem drinkers. The cab driver had to be taken care of to keep from spreading his problem around." It was signed, the Angel of Death. After writing the notes, Aubrey also admitted to calling the police. A transcript of that phone call was read into evidence today. Gooden, "I'm killing people." Dispatcher, "How are you killing people?" Gooden, "Well, I've killed the little girl and I've hurt the cab driver." The prosecution rested its case. The defense opened with letting the jury hear testimony from Gooden's foster father and foster brother, who both testified Aubrey Gooden was at home at the time of the murder. Next, Gooden himself would take the stand. He said he wrote the notes and made the call to police to get some attention. He said he thought it would make him feel big. But looking back, he said he feels stupid writing them and says he made a mistake. The testimony in the courtroom today was by far the most damaging against 16-year-old Aubrey Gooden as the prosecution closed its case. But the defense may also have an ace in the hole if Judge Winston allows it. I have learned that sometime before the trial, Gooden was given a true serum, sodium amytal, and while under its influence denied any involvement in the murder of Tilton Alexander. The judge will rule on the admissibility of that evidence on Wednesday. At Circuit Court, Barbara Sierra, The Daily News.